Hello viewers, I would like to follow the footsteps of the great former president of USA, Barack Obama. Yes, we can.
How can we read the Hindu through English and understand ourselves through English? That's what we are going to do that. Let's go. For this I have taken the Hindu paper dated 10th July 2020. Page number 3, Madurai edition. Yes, we can. We can do. I have great hopes upon you that you can do that. As I said earlier that I have taken page number 3. There are 3 steps we should follow from simple beginning to reach editorial page. How? Follow these 3 steps, you will definitely reach the editorial page. Step number 1. Read the headlines only. Biorepellent keeps wild boars at bay. Repellent. You can see these repellents in houses. The repellent which drive away mosquitoes. You can use that. You might be using that. Here, that subtitles in the picture, the success formula, a biorepellent being sprayed using a drone at Vellamalaipatti village of Usilampatti Taluk in Madurai on Thursday. Then, coming to the right side, another piece of news is there. Why death rate is more in Madurai district than in Chennai? Asks Madurai MP. Madurai MP Mr. Venkatesh asked a question. 5,000 infections were there, but as per that deaths were concerned, Chennai 42 and Madurai victims to 88. Why? That's a question. So, without reading a news itself, only reading headline, we can able to understand that. The another headlines. The right way to calm a special child. That is some special child means a child which has some disability. Then coming down another headline. Biggest single day spurt in Virudhunagar. COVID-19. Spurt means sudden increase. So, by reading the headlines, will make ourselves understand what actually the headline says. But don't need to read the news itself given down. Okay, so reading the headline, subtitle, pictures helps us understand better.
Step number 2. Select a small piece of news. Here in the middle of the page number 3, milk tanker jumps off bridge, one killed. I'm going to tell the story without reading a single piece of news. C. Muniandi, 40, was driving a milk tanker. He attempted to travel or drive. Here the word negotiate is given. It has compressed of multiple meanings. Compromise, manage successfully. So he attempted to travel his vehicle along a sharp right curve. He lost control of the vehicle. The vehicle jumped off the overbridge. The picture of the overbridge has been given and the vehicle fell on its side. The picture clearly shows us the condition of the vehicle.
Step number 3. When we refer to dictionary to look up the word, there are multiple meanings for the word negotiate. But we have to narrow down which meaning will help us to understand the passage or the piece of news. Here, the negotiate means I'm going to give you two meanings. One is manage, another one is compromise, and another one is travel a difficult way or path. These are the meanings. More than two meanings I have given. I earlier said that two meanings. Leave it. Now you actually identify four things here. Understand it better. Number one, sharp right curve. Number two, lost control of the vehicle. Number three, the picture of the overbridge. Number four, then the word jumped off. These words can help us what exactly happened to that vehicle, that is the milk tanker. All these point out the vehicle attempt to travel speedily, so the accident happened. So my dear friends and viewers, everything is simple. Keep it in mind. Though the vehicle is lying on its side, I like to tell you another thing. Knowledge is not understanding. But once you understand, then nobody in the world stops you reaching the height. Here I mean reading the editorial and another quote, everything is difficult before it becomes easy. So, my dear viewers, I hope that you will be able to understand everything English through English. When you start doing this kind of exercise, as I said now, then actually nobody can stop you. You will actually go to the place, that I assure you. I have great hopes upon you. I hope that you would like this video and comment upon this video, share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.